Hello friends, there are three types of electrical drives: individual drive, group drive and a multi-motor drive. Today I am going to show you individual drive and group drive. Here we can see individual drive. In this drive we use a separate motor for each mechanical load. A single motor is connected to the mechanical load. Here we can also observe the transmission system, how the prime mover or the electric motor is connected to the mechanical load. I will show you the transmission system also. Wait. This is the motor. This is motor, and the shaft of this motor is connected to the load through this belt. It is transmission system used here. In some motors, shaft of the electric motor can be directly connected to the mechanical load. In this drive, we have used belt as the transmission system. So it is different. Here you can observe DOL starter, direct online starter. This is group drive. In group drive, high rating of single motor is used to drive number of loads. Here we can see 10 HP motor is used here. It is connected to a common shaft through a belt. Now we will closely observe how it is connected. If you look here, you can see the shaft of the motor is connected to the common shaft through a belt, and all these loads are connected to this common shaft. Now I will show you the motor and shaft. The shaft of the motor, this is shaft of the motor, and it is connected to this common shaft through this belt. So when the shaft is rotating, the common shaft also rotates. All loads are also connected through belts. Here the transmission system is belt. These are the belts. Through belts, the power can be transferred from common shaft to mechanical load. This is the belt used for the first load, and there is second load and third load also is there. So you can observe all these. These are the loads connected to the common shaft. In group drive, the transmission system is always belt. Shaft cannot be directly connected to the mechanical load. This is the fourth drive, fourth load. Here also you can observe belt is used as the transmission system, and a separate belt is also used. This is a separate belt. So there are two belts. So by this belts, the efficiency will decrease. Okay, this is about group drive. The advantages of the group drives are: cost of the single motor is less than the cost of the many motors of the same aggregate rating. So you can use the single motor instead of many motors, and its overloading capacity is more. One motor can handle all the loads. There are some disadvantages. A fault in the motor renders all machines or loads idle. If only a small load is to be used, the motor has to work with light load. This results in reduced efficiency. Power transmission through belts and pulleys is inefficient, so efficiency is less. These are the disadvantages of the group drive. If you observe the advantage of individual drive, a fault in the motor will not idle the other loads. The motor almost run always with full load, so efficiency will be high. It eliminates all shafting and belting. An addition of feature load is easy. There are some disadvantages also. The fixed or initial cost is high. It's not suited for a sequence of operations. These are the disadvantages of the individual drive. Now I will show you star delta starter. This is star delta starter. At the time of starting, the handle will be moved towards star side. After gaining some speed, the handle will be moved towards delta side. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe the channel.